So now we got 2 minus 5 on top and a negative 4 minus 5 on the bottom. Now the best way to think about this is, again, it's just like the last topic where we are adding and subtracting positive and negative integers. So think about it like this. This is really a minus sign is just like a plus negative. 2 is being added to a negative 5. So they're not on the same team. We look at it as a subtraction problem. It's really just like 5 minus 2, which is 3. But since the negative number dominated, this final answer is going to be negative 3. So 2 plus negative 5 is negative 3. I'm going to do the same thing down here. I'm going to take that negative and turn it into a plus minus. Now look what plus negative. Now look what's happening. We got two negative numbers, same team. Therefore, we add them straight up and we get a 9. But remember, they were negative, so we're getting a negative as our answer. So this is the top one, we're going to get negative 3, and the bottom one we are going to get negative 9.